Function: clock, alarm clock, wireless connect speaker, night light. Control mode tap, button. Net weight, 760 grams. Wake up light: 30 minutes before your setting alarm clock, the wake up light will start to lighting. Night light by tap the top panel. You can change the light's brightness by short tap and light color by long press. When you touch the phone key, you can use the wake up light's wireless connect function. Alarm rings, natural sounds. Brightness: 3 levels lighting colors RGB. Note: be sure the supply voltage to meet the requirements. Non-professionals do not disassemble the product. The product does not have a waterproof function, please pay attention to the use under dry environment. Package included: 1x wake up light, 1x power adapter, 1x instruction.